When it's deficient, is a very common symptom to see a brain fog, but also issues with attention, mood disorders, as well as dealing with anxiety and impacting your energy throughout the day. In fact, there's a recent study that was done that included 39,000 people, and they found that there was a low vitamin B12 levels that were associated with poor attention and memory. Along with vitamin B12, vitamin B6, and several other different B vitamins can be also associated with brain fog. So I typically like to test all B vitamins just to make sure there isn't a specific B vitamin that is deficient that I'm not catching, because that can make all the difference with the brain fog situation that you might be experiencing. Now, a bonus supplement, I think this one's really important. It's something I probably use most of the time, because I'm finding that this tends to be a really trend that brain fog is really associated with low energy. And whenever I find someone that has significant low energy, they have a lot of times that brain fog and focus issues. And this has to do a lot with probably cortisol. And when I see a client or patient that has cortisol levels that are plummeted throughout the day, I want to make sure that I can increase those levels. And one of the most effective ways that I use that is something called adrenal desiccated. Now, you got to be really careful when you're taking adrenal desiccated. You want to only use this probably for about 2 to 3 months just to revitalize the adrenals to increase those cortisol levels so you can have that consistent focus and eliminating that brain fog symptoms that you might be experiencing along with your low energy. So like I was saying, with many of these different supplementations, I make sure I do test and investigate. So if you really want to understand how to really eliminate your brain fog naturally and understand how to investigate that, understand how I do that, then you should watch this video next that I dive in deep explaining the whole process of how to eliminate your brain fog naturally.